Let's have a look at multiplying pair of brackets. So we've got two brackets and two terms in each bracket, and we're multiplying them together. So first thing you can do here, there's loads of ways of doing these kind of questions. I'm only covering one method here, but you might have covered something different in your class. So the first thing we do is we split the first bracket into two parts. Now I have the first bracket in two parts where I've got 3x as the first part and plus 7 as the second part. And what I'll do is I'll take the first part, I will multiply the first part of my bracket to all of the second bracket. So I'll take 3x and I will put a bracket next to it. I will put the second bracket after it. Then I will take the second half of my bracket, which in this case is plus 7. I will write plus 7, and again I will multiply plus 7 with all of the second bracket. Then we will carry on as we normally would for single brackets, because now we've got something which is very similar to the single brackets work. So I will multiply 3x with 7x, which is 21x squared. Then I will multiply 3x with minus 8, which will be minus 24x. Then going on to the second half, I've got plus 7 multiplied with 7x, which is 49x. And I will multiply plus 7 with minus 8, which will give me minus 56. And now we will just tidy up similar terms. So 21x squared, as you can see, has got nothing here common as 21x squared, which means I will keep 21x squared as it is. Then moving forward, we can see that we've got minus 24x and plus 49x. So minus 24x and plus 49x will give me plus 25x. And finally, minus 56 will come as it is because there's no other number here. Let's have a look at the next question. This is one of those questions that require you to put 2x minus 1 in double brackets first. Don't go ahead and simplify it as it is. Always write it as 2x minus 1 multiplied by itself, since you can see that v square sign in front of it. Now I'm going to follow the same method as part A. So I'm going to split 2x minus 1 into two parts, and the first half of that bracket is 2x. So I'll take the first half and I will multiply it with all of the second bracket, which is 2x minus 1. Then I'll take the second half, which is minus 1, and I will again multiply it with all of the second half. Now going ahead, I will multiply 2x within the bracket, which will give me 4x squared, and 2x multiplied with minus 1 is minus 2x. Then in the second half, I've got minus 1. Let's multiply minus 1 with 2x, which will give me minus 2x. And I'll multiply minus 1 with minus 1, which is positive 1. Again, tidying up the like terms, 4x squared has got nothing common, nothing similar to it. So 4x squared will stay as it is. Then minus 2x and minus 2x will come together, giving us minus 4x, and then plus 1.